How are you? Today I talk about very most important topic. This topic is multiple integral. Okay, this topic is very most important. I provide this topic. Please you note down. Okay, if you not understand, please you comment me. Okay. So first I talk about double integration. Double integral. Okay, this is called multiple integral. Okay, if first point you note down. Next I explaining this topic integration of r. R means any limit value 0 to a, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, a to b, 1 to 2, 3 to 6, 4, any others. Okay, any value. Okay, so it is r f of xy. This is function into dx dy. This is x-axis and it is y. Okay, a x derivative and y derivative exist. Okay, over a rectangle R. Okay, this range value a less than x less than equals to b. Okay, and c less than equals to y less than equals to b. Okay, and 2. Okay, integration of a to b f of x y into dx. Okay, exist for each for each value of y. Okay, 1 c less than equals to y less than equals to d. Okay, c less than equals to y less than equals to d. Okay, then the repeated integral. Okay, then the repeated integration of a to b. Okay, dy and integration. This is a to d f of x y into dx. Okay, exists and is equal to and is equal to the integration of, this is called double integration. Okay, r f of x y. Okay, dx dy and r such that this is range a less than equals to x less than equals to b and c less than equals to y less than equals to b. Okay, this is range value. Okay, next suppose you understand, this is example. Okay, integration of c to d f of x y dy and a to d dx integration of c to d f of x y. Okay, into dy. Next, okay, this is range a less than equals to x less than equals to b, c less than equals to y less than equals to b. Okay, this is first point, second point, and this topic is very most important. Next I talk about example if you understand and clear this topic. Okay, so next, corollary. Okay, if the functions if the if x y, okay, 1 are a less than equals to x less than equals to b. Okay, and c less than equals to y less than equals to d. Okay, and can be represented by f of xy. Okay, is equal to, it is phi x and second function psi y. Okay, then okay, then integration of r f of xy. Okay, dx dy is equal to integration of a to b. This is phi x dx into integration of c to d psi y into dy. Okay, this is phi and this is psi. Okay, this is phi, this is psi. Okay, so it is r means a to b, c to d. This is range value, this is lower limit. and this is upper limit. Okay, point. Okay, and next I talk about very most important question. Okay, this question is evolute. Okay, integration of double integration r f of xy. Okay, dy dx, where f of xy is equal to x square y. Okay, and r, okay, 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1, and 0 less than equals to y less than equals to 1. Okay, this is range value 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. Okay, so next, f of xy is equal to x square y is equal to phi x and psi y. Okay, next, f of, okay, xy is equal to x square y is equal to phi x and psi y. Okay, this is given. Next, integration of double integration r f of xy into dx dy is equal to integration 0 to 1 0 to 1. Okay, phi x dx into integration of 0 to 1 psi y into dy. Okay, and integrate this topic 0 to 1 x square dx into integration of 0 to 1 y dx. Okay, is equal to, this is value x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, put it this value x cube by 3, this is limit 0 to 1 into, this is y square. Okay, this is dy and dx. Okay, y square by 2 0 to 1. Okay, is equal to, it is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 6. This is answer. Okay, very easy. Okay, if you not understand, so please tell me, I repeat this topic provide. Okay, next question. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 2, integration of r sine x plus y dx dy over r such that 0 less than equals to x less than equals to pi by 2, and next 0 less than equals to y less than equals to pi by 2. Okay, how to solve this for how to solve this problem. Okay, and always remember sine functions is always continuous. Okay, sine function is always continuous. Okay, and this is sine graph. Okay, this is 0 comma 0 point. Okay, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, and here sine x plus y, okay, is continuous. Okay, and hence we can write the double, integral. Okay, in integral in terms of repeated integral. Okay, integration of r, it is sine x plus y. Okay, dx dy is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx and integration of 0 to pi by 2. Okay, sine x plus y into dy. Okay, is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx, and this is integration minus cos x plus y. Okay, 0 to pi by 2, this is limit value. Next, integration of 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this is sine x plus cos x. Okay, into dx. Okay, next is equal to this integration value minus cos x plus sin x 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and put it this value cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0, and sin pi by 2, okay, 1, okay, and this is, and cos 0 is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This question answer is 2. Okay, it is very most important question. Next I talk about next question. Okay, next question, question number 3. Okay, next question, integration of r f of x comma y, okay, dx and dy, and if exist, okay, where, if exist where, okay, if exist where f of x comma y is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to rational, y is equal to rational, okay, and x, y, it is irrational, okay. Next, and this is range value, okay, 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, okay, 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. And how to solve this problem? Answer, okay. So please do note down answer. Okay, integration of 0 to 1 f of xy into dy is equal to 0 to 1 dx, integration 0 to 1 1 by 2 dy, okay, this value, okay, and this value, okay, and if y is a rational, okay, and is equal to 0 to 1 dx, integration of 0 to 1 x dy, if y is irrational, okay, and this integration value 1 by 2, okay, but please you note down, okay, integration of r, okay, f of x y dx and dy, okay, and integration of 0 to 1 dx, integration of 0 to y 1 f of x y, okay, dy, okay, dy and dy do not exist, okay, it is not exist, okay, it is not exist, okay, it is not convert, okay, double, it is not convert double integral to repeated, okay, repeated integral, okay. Next I talk about very most important question, okay, next lecture, okay, this is part 1. Next I talk about very most important question answer, okay. So if you not understand any problem, so please do note down. Thank you, take care, goodbye, okay. Next I talk about part 2, okay. Thank you, take care, goodbye.